another review. In this video, we're going to talk about another awesome marketing tool software that you'll find exciting in your business. But before we get into the video, click the link below where you'll be able to check out some awesome tools, bonuses that you'll be able to grab if you pick up this awesome tool. But now let's jump into the video.
AdPreso AI is an innovative tool designed to revolutionize your advertising strategy on Facebook and Instagram by generating 500 high-converting ad creatives in just 60 seconds. This powerhouse utilizes a proprietary back-end engine that has analyzed over 1 million successful ads, allowing you to tap into proven strategies designed to boost your return on ad spend, ROAS, significantly. Imagine cutting your ad creation time from 16 hours to just 30 seconds while achieving an average ROAS increase of 3. AdPreso AI makes it possible. With a full commercial license included, you can create ads not just for your business but for unlimited clients, enabling you to offer high-demand ad services that agencies typically charge between $500 and $5,000 per MO. Our user-friendly interface ensures that even without design or copywriting skills, you can easily generate professional-grade ads tailored to your audience, ensuring they capture attention and drive conversions. Moreover, you'll also gain access to valuable training resources, including a $5 ad strategy course that reveals how to effectively market your ad services. It's simple. Just input your website URL, let AdPreso's AI work its magic, and watch your ad library expand with variations optimized for maximum engagement. Join thousands of satisfied users who have transformed their advertising results and start generating profitable ads today for just $37. This is a limited time offer you won't want to miss.
If you're watching this video, don't forget to pick up the bonuses after you purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.